In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use one of the starter sites provided by Elegant Themes to quickly spin up a Divi website. So here we are on the home in our dashboard, and I'm going to show you what we already have. So if we go to Pages, you'll see the only thing here is a draft privacy policy that was created when we installed WordPress. And if we go to Divi Theme Builder, you'll see there's nothing here. Keep in mind, for this video, we have Divi 4.27.4 installed. Now I'm going to go to the live page and we'll refresh it just so you can see the only thing here is a generic blog post, and I've already uploaded a logo. So now let's go back to the back end of our site and we're going to set up the starter site. So we'll go to Divi Dashboard and you'll see there's various options here. We're going to choose Generate a New Site. We can do it with AI if you want, but I'm going to select a template, which is the starter sites. And I've already decided in advance which one I want to use. It's called Online Courses, and I know it's near the bottom of the list here. So we're going to go ahead and start with that. If you want, you can preview it to see what it looks like. We've got a site name and a slogan already there, the logo that I uploaded previously. These are all the pages it's going to create. If we want, we can also choose what fonts and some colors we want to use. I'm going to leave it at all the defaults, so I haven't changed anything here. We'll click on Generate and Publish My Website. So now it's going to start bringing in the pages, and in this case it is an e-commerce template, so it's installing WooCommerce because I didn't already have it installed. So the pages are being created. It tells you where it is in the process. When it finishes with the pages, it's going to bring in the theme builder templates. So there it goes with the theme builder. And it takes a minute or two to get everything installed depending on the speed of your hosting and your internet speed. But it's a very quick way to spin up a site. In our case, it's for demonstration purposes, but if you're creating a site for a client, this is a quick way to create something and then you can edit it to the client's needs. So you'll see a list of the pages here it created and a list of the templates. Just so you can see them, I'm going to go to Pages, and there's all the pages, and we'll go to Divi Theme Builder again. And you can see all the templates listed here. So it's got quite a few for blog posts, for categories, authors, products, cart, checkout, search, and 404. So a very complete set of templates. Let's see what it looks like now on the front end. So remember, this is what we had before, not much. I'm going to hit refresh, and you'll see it's brought in a header, and it's got our little shopping cart in the menu. It's got a button over here. We'll scroll down so you can see all the different elements on the home page. Some testimonials and a footer. Let's go ahead back to the top and look at a couple other pages. We'll go to the About page and you'll see what's here. I'm not going to scroll down. If you want to try it yourself, you can scroll and look in more depth. A list of courses, so all the different ones that it pre-did. If I go to course, it shows one specific course that it imported. If I go to shop, we're going to find we haven't added any products, so no results found. So after I use the starter site, I would need to go into WooCommerce and add some products. And if I go to blog, you'll see not really much there beyond Hello World. So again, we would need to create some blog posts. And the last page here, the contact page, you'll see it's got a way to send us an email via a form, plus some other links. So a very complete site that we can now customize to our heart's content. And what I'm going to show you in a future video is how to migrate this site from Divi 4 to Divi 5.